Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy.
I'm John. Again. It's food time. What other time would it be?
And if you are joining the channel for the first time, no, John is not a chick. He is filling in for his
I
chick.
hope not. Yeah, my chick.
For Robin, who is
making me money.
She's doing a challenge at her gym, and she's eating clean. So what we're eating today is not going to be clean.
No, it's not. It's very dirty.
So today, I'm super excited. We are going to...
So am I. I get free donuts.
Dunkin Donuts. If you haven't heard, today they have come out with their pickle glazed donut.
What?
I'm just
kidding. You didn't tell me that. Are you? Oh, okay.
Just kidding.
It took me a second to figure that. You got me there. That's one time.
But everything else is pickle, so I'm surprised they haven't.
Might as well.
No,
I mean, what the heck?
These are donut fries. So
regular donuts.
Well, it's like a croissant donut fried. Dipped in cinnamon sugar.
Johnny loves him some donut. Oh, it's dipped in cinnamon sugar?
Yeah.
So it's like, So it's like a twist.
No, it's not twist. It's just long.
No, but like one of those twist donuts that's with the sugar and the cinnamon.
Well, we're going to find out.
I'm just telling you that's what it is.
That's what you think it is, but just a small version of it.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
Right. Anyway, there's five.
I don't know. It's the donut, so I'm
anything
good.
cinnamon and sugar I'm going to eat because I love cinnamon sugar.
Absolutely.
So they come 5 to a pack.
Okay.
And it's like 248 calories.
Oh.
Just
is that a lot?
Well, it'd be like 50 a stick, so whatever. These were released in a limited market in April, I believe, but it was just in Boston and somewhere else in the Northeast. So obviously they did well there because now it's out
everywhere.
for the summer, so we'll see. All right, you ready?
I'm excited.
All right.
Let's do it. Quiet. Aren't you going to dub over this? Some cheesy music.
Okay. We're going through the drive-thru just to make John nervous.
Oh, we are?
Because I know how much he hates the drive-thru.
I do.
Oh, I've never been through this drive-thru.
Oh, great. Give me whiplash.
All right. I don't see a sign for it. Oh, yep, there they are.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar cold brew.
Oh, we don't want a cold brown.
Oh, wait. Donut fries served warm.
I don't
add.
Oh, $2.
What?
They're $2.
What's up?
Thank you for Dunkin'. What can I get for you?
Yeah, can I get 2 orders of the donut fries, please? Do you like to try?
You ever go anywhere else? A Mountain Dew.
Do they? They don't have soft drinks.
Yeah, they do. Oh, inside they do. See, that's the thing.
Oh, okay.
That's fine.
That'll be all. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
They don't. Oh, in bottles?
Yeah. That's why you go inside. Yes. Because that's what I usually get. They have milk.
Do you want me to add one?
No. As long as we stop at McDonald's or somewhere. Donuts make me thirsty.
That make you thirsty?
I need more sugar to go with my donut. What do you got?
I have water. I don't like.
Oh, see, I thought I was getting a drink here.
I don't like.
People think I'm complaining.
He is a complainer.
I just like my
stuff. That's not being skeptical. That's being a complainer.
I always get 2 donuts, and I'm a little OCD. I
guess you are.
I mean, to an extent.
Does it have to be the same type of donut?
No. I mean, there's probably 3 or 4 that I generally pick from.
Okay.
Yeah. But
can they be touching?
Yeah, I don't care about that. I just, I like to get to wash it down.
Do you take a bite of one, a bite of the other?
No.
Is it one?
No, it's one. Yeah, one and then the other. Yeah.
Do you save your favorite for last?
Generally, I do. Yeah.
Hi, 437.
Ask her if the fries are selling like hotcakes.
They're filling fries.
If you're done with fries, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.
All right, they smell good. Hate to say it, but they look a little smaller.
Really, I don't get a drink?
You can have some of my water.
Okay.
They look a little smaller than the ad.
Okay. See, I don't know if I guess I've seen the ad, but I really haven't paid attention.
Here,
so don't show me. So I would guess. Oh, don't want to use that finger. I don't know. Little bit. I don't know, about the size of that finger. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking.
A little smaller. Because they have them like popping out of the bag.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Oh, there is sugar and cinnamon going everywhere.
All right, seriously, we got to move.
Do we?
Yeah.
Okay. That's because you're in the sun. That's what I'm saying. You got to back up, go in the shade.
I know, but my butt's going to be sticking out. Oh, is that better? There.
Yeah, who cares? We're in the parking lot. Yeah, there you go.
All right.
Is that okay?
That's better.
Okay.
All right. So in the ad, they're like, nicely sticking up. I know nothing looks like the ad.
Yeah.
But they look.
Oh, cinnamon sugar all in your AC vent.
All right. I thought they'd be a little warmer too. I thought they would be like.
They're warm, but not.
They're a little tough.
Yeah, they are.
I thought they were gonna be like light.
Oh yeah, no.
They're somewhat flaky. I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, and they're a little chewy.
But they're really chewy. Not a little chewy. They're a lot chewy.
I mean, I guess, isn't it? I'm trying to think of what a regular donut's like.
Well, it's more soft and airy. Where this is.
I think you're right. This is a little bit more dense.
Yeah.
I get it.
I mean, anything
Don't
with
get me wrong,
cinnamon
they're
sugar
good.
is good. It's fried and it's fried dough. It's good, but it's not as good as I was hoping.
You're right. What you're expecting. I would say the same thing.
I was thinking it was going to be. It is a little buttery. I was expecting more melt in your mouth.
Yeah, definitely not that.
Where this is more kind of a cross between a donut, the texture, and a pretzel. If you think about it like an Annie's cinnamon sugar pretzel,
Yeah.
it's a little chewy, like a pretzel.
Yeah.
Not that chewy.
Right.
It's not
I wouldn't go that
chewy.
far, but I could see the
But it's
analogy.
like a mixture. It's not.
I mean, I'm gonna just have to eat some more to make sure
Yeah, you gotta check.
whether I like them. Take a piece off.
I can inspect it. Let me take
Should I eat this or wait?
No, eat it.
Okay. I didn't know what we were doing.
All right. See now, let me can see the texture.
Oh yeah. So this is weird. This one's kind of half open. It's like they're layers.
I can't
Like they
see.
did layers.
Oh, you've stripped that one.
Yeah. That's half of it.
Well, that would be like their
There's
croissant.
the other half. Right.
But it is. So compared to, it's not as airy as a funnel cake.
Nope.
It's like it's
Not as
not as airy as a
greasy as a funnel cake either.
donut. No, that's true.
You know. To me, just get donut. Like what?
Yeah,
These are not as good as a donut.
I could make something better than this. Which
Yeah.
I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make something.
Sweet.
And I just wasted 150 calories. Damn it.
Yeah, I definitely would just stick to a donut. Nothing special about them. They're good, but just a regular donut.
They're $2 if you want to taste
You
on.
think like, oh, I'm gonna go on my way to work and just drink coffee, eat these on the way to work.
Oh, maybe you like
They're
a
okay.
chewier texture. If you do, then
Yeah.
you'll love it. But
I just
to me,
stick with donuts.
I was expecting something nice, light, and airy. Cinnamon sugar.
Still good. But
I mean,
Yeah.
they're good. I mean, anything
make a special trip, I wouldn't at all.
fried, dipped in cinnamon sugar is good. But all right, you're gonna be fired if you continue to do that.
You can't fire me until Robin's done with her little
Oh,
challenge.
you can be replaced.
Oh, snap!
You are replaceable. I was really looking forward to these.
Wow.
Since April,
Wow.
when they really, and it's just like another disappointment.
It's funny because I didn't have,
Any
I guess the
expectations?
expectation she had. I just knew that, hey, it's a little mini donut shaped like a finger, fry or whatever, and you eat it, and that's it.
Yeah, I set my standards way too high.
Yeah, I guess so.
I don't even want to give it a thumb. It's okay.
It's okay. It's nothing special. I wouldn't make a special trip. Nothing to write home about.
No, definitely not.
She's pissed.
No, I'm kind of glad because if
She's
not, I would
upset.
be like scarfing them down.
Right,
so.
right.
But anyway, I can make
Instead,
something
you're
better,
gonna
and I'm
save
going,
the rest
and
for the
I'm going
dog.
to.
Oh, are you? Yes. Sweet.
You'll have to try that. All right. Well, if you
You know
have
I'll
tried
try.
them, comment below. They came out today.
Yep. Let us know.
Let us know what you think. Maybe it's the one we got them at. Every place is different. Kind of like
Yeah.
when you go to fast food, the consistency isn't always there. So
Maybe it's because we went through the drive-through. And I don't have a Mountain Dew.
Anyway, thank you for watching. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications and share with your friends.
Peace out.
Thanks for watching.
See you,
Have a great
fans.
day. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm John. And I'm Kathy. Welcome to another edition of Family Feud.
Are you done?